Unleashed allows you to add a never-diminishing product to a bill of material, saving you the time of adding supply costs to your assemblies and allowing you to add costs such as labour and services directly into your bill of materials during the production process. Here's an example. We'll create a never-diminishing product, labour. In the product type, you'll need to select Never Diminishing Product and Component. If you're integrating with an accounting provider, select the appropriate expense account. Once your Never Diminishing Product has been created, it can now be added to a bill of materials as a component. Back to our example, let's add our newly created Never Diminishing Labour Cost to an existing bill of material. Add this into Component Product along with the quantity and then click Add. You can change the unit cost for your Never Diminishing products directly on the bill of materials, but do note that this feature is only available for Never Diminishing products. Now that this bill of materials is updated, don't forget to click Save. You can keep track of all Never Diminishing products used in assemblies on the Production Inquiry report. And if you're integrating with an accounting provider, a stock movement journal will add value from your cost of goods sold to your stock on hand account. This journal can be found on Integration, Integration Store, Export Zero Data, Journals, and selecting Disassembly or Assembly Journal.